Hi, I'm Schalk Fourie, manager for Long Acre Partnership. Bit of my history, been South Africa, been ops manager over there, had intensive farming over there with apples, citrus and vineyards, about 1,000 hectares. Came to New Zealand about 13 years ago and got introduced to the Hydralada company and their lovely machine. During my experience in New Zealand, I had dealt with various platforms and all of that to increase productivity. And yeah, we've tried the Hydralada platforms in the past and these machines. With my experience, I find it that the Hydralada here is probably the most economic if you come to productivity, because it's individually based. If you go and put a person, he can determine his own speed. You can do your picking with it, you can do your pruning with it in the tops, and even your thinning and tree training, especially on these spindles. You don't have to drag a ladder around, and it increases the speed that the job gets done. For us, that is a small man operation at this stage. It's probably more about the productivity and the ground that we can cover doing a specific job. But with this machine, we can also incorporate that we do multiple tasks at the same time. So currently we are pruning and we're doing tree training. Our pruning is probably a bit aggressive this year. We're doing a lot of detailed pruning in the tops of the trees where we remove a lot of clutter, a bit of less spur to focus more on the quality of the fruit that's sitting in the tops, and also canopy development. So for us, it's a major benefit to have these machines and to operate during the orchard. Productivity-wise, compared to a platform for us, platform is usually for me based about the speed of the platform is based around the slowest person on the platform. So like I said earlier, this machine is based around individual speed. So you can determine your speed, and it's probably more productive for me. And it can do everything. So for us, yeah, it just replaces a ladder and improves our productivity. This machine has the capability to use a dry glopper. That's more for bigger trees, your old 793 rootstocks where you have big grunty old tiers where you want to cut limbs off and stuff like that. We opted to go with the Pruning hand pruners, and this does basically everything. We can do detail work with it. We can make our structural cuts. Most of our tiers in the trees are about that 30 centimeter diameter. This Pruning loppers really does a great job with it. It increases our speed, but we don't have to carry multiple. As you can see on the machine, I currently have my loppers hanging there, so I don't use those anymore, so I can actually take it off the machine. The basket is nice. I mean, we have inside here the tree clips, paint bottles. It's a nice holder for my battery, for my machine, and all of that stuff. So, yeah, I mean, we opted to go with a Pruning, and it seems to do the job for us really well. And thanks to Hydralada's good service, keeping the machines really in a good nick for us.